Present-day data centers are becoming very complex. Data growth and application performance requirements are the key driving parameters. The necessity to have a green and more eco-friendly data center and keeping the management chores simple are also very important these days. These mandatory requirements pose many steep challenges. One has to keep a strict vigil at the bottom line, managing the cost of acquisition of storage, controlling the data center power requirement, minimizing the storage space footprint, and honoring an eco-friendly environment are some of the very important considerations. The solution to this is to implement automated tiered storage and place data smartly across these tiers. Recent research shows that about 80% of stored data becomes inactive and is very infrequently accessed in as little as a few weeks. So the key here is to create a value-oriented storage stack where active data is placed in high-cost tiers and inactive data is demoted to low-cost, high-capacity tiers. The other important consideration is to automate this data classification and migration. Failing this, the management of tiered storage becomes very laborious and expensive. StoreTrans keeps a record of access information and the importance of every block of data stored. This metadata information is used to automatically classify data and help in suitably migrating it to optimal tiers. With its StoreSmart architecture, StoreTrans offers cradle-to-graveyard management of data. All this happens transparently and does not require any manual intervention. Let us take a quick look at how StoreSmart works. This is done in 3 important stages. In the first stage, new data is acquired and placed in Tier 1. Next, the metadata information is analyzed and classified to determine optimal placement of data. Finally, the data is arranged and placed in appropriate tiers. What you see here is a data center with 3 tiers of storage. At the top of this hierarchy is the high-cost, high-performance tier that holds important active data. During the peak load, new data blocks are stored in the high-performance tier. Now when the data center load is comparatively lighter, StoreSmart analyzes the metadata and classifies the data blocks. Finally, data is migrated to tiers according to their importance. Note that inactive data is demoted and moved to lower tiers, and active data in lower tiers are automatically promoted and moved to higher tiers. In order to better appreciate the merits of automated tiered storage, let us take a case study of a data center for Microsoft Exchange application. What is considered here is an enterprise-class Exchange server with 20 terabytes capacity. In the absence of tiered storage, the application performance requirement would call for high-performance SAS disks for the entire capacity. A tiered storage server could easily implement this with 2 tiers, a low-capacity SAS tier and a high-capacity SATA tier. As you see from the slide, the total number of disks needed is much less with tiered storage. This greatly reduces the acquisition cost and data center space footprint. Power consumption and cost of operation are also very important. According to a recent study, 50% of all data centers will have inadequate capacity. In this example, we will consider around 15 watts of power consumption per hard disk. The power consumption figures are in front of you. You see a substantial 8-fold reduction in power consumption. This translates to a substantial saving in annual utility cost and energy consumption. Now let us turn towards the much important environmental factor of data centers. In order to cater to its energy requirements, powerhouses emit a substantial amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is called the carbon footprint of a data center. With StoreSmart, the computed carbon footprint is 4 tons annually, and in a conventional data center, it is a very disturbing 27 tons. So with StoreSmart, you get excellent performance, a small data center footprint, very affordable cost of ownership, and a very environmentally friendly solution with ease of manageability. To learn more about StoreSmart, please visit www.ami.com.